Like and subscribe to Toon Time Tykes.
In a kitchen, Buster Witch, a spaghetti noodle felt no fear. It wriggled and jiggled, oh so bold, escaping the plate, it wasn't controlled. Bad spaghetti spill, a tale to tell, causing chaos, so what a spell. Across the floor, started to slide, as she this noodle on a wild ride. Past the pots and pans it went, leaving trails, mischief sent, knocking over jars with the clatter. Spaghetti chaos, nothing could be flatter. The spaghetti spill, a tale to tell, causing chaos, what a spell. Across the floor, it's that spaghetti spill, a tale to tell, causing chaos, so what a spell. Across the floor, starting to slide, as she this noodle on a wild ride. But amidst the mess and kitchen strife, the noodle learned about life. It may have caused quite a fuss, but sometimes chaos teaches us. So if you see a noodle stray, remember the spaghetti spill's a wild day. It may have caused a little mess, but sometimes that's how we progress.